everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang. Sweet little car, guys. Georgia car, recent body up restoration. They said the car was completed about 2017. Lot of upgrades, guys. This is the factory color combination, Candyapple red with a red interior. So super cool with the red on red look. You can see it's got 17-inch Shelby Cobra chrome wheels on it, ZR rated rubber all the way around it. It is a top loader 4-speed car. It was the original C code 289 car that now has a aluminum headed 302 underneath the hood. Fun car, man. Aftermarket AC, 4-wheel disc brakes. If you're looking for something that's fun and quick, I think you're just going to have a blast with the car. Slick paint. The chrome and stainless is nice. You can see they've upgraded the headlights. Neat car. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. There's a couple little stone packs and things that you can see, just some minor stuff. I didn't see anything major. Pretty car, though. It's got a real good look to it. Runs out strong. It will just torch these tires. Fun car, man. Pretty paint. Again, original Candyapple red car. Pretty car right here. That's just some wax, guys. There's a couple little stone packs. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, ZR rated rubber. Those are 17-inch chrome Cobra wheels. Yeah, there's just a little dust on there. Wind's whipping. We had a severe change to our weather today. Four-wheel disc brakes. They even changed, put the little 302 emblem on the front fender there. Yeah, good running 302, guys. You can see it's got the Holley 4-barrel, Edebrock Victor Jr. intake. It's also got Edelbrock RPM Performer, aluminum heads, nice little cam to it, hooker headers. It's got all MSD, 6AL ignition with a Pro Billet distributor. It's got power 4-wheel disc brakes with a little vacuum canister on the back. Billet pulleys in there. You can see it's got aftermarket air. It does blow cold. Top loader, 4-speed manual transmission. It's got a Milidon or Canton, might be a Canton oil pan on it. It's also got an SFI fluid dampener. Drives nice and tight. It's got a front and rear sway bars, aftermarket sway bars. Original A-pillar chrome, you can pick at that a little bit. They've got a bullet mirror on it, like the Steve McQueen car. This might be the original door handles. They're pretty nice though. There's your original door tag. Door seams are nice and clean. Pretty interior. Again, factory red on red car. I like that. Bucket seats, got the wood wheel, Hurst shifter, it's got an aftermarket gauge cluster in it. You can see they've added seat belts to it. Yes, they were an option in '66. They didn't come standard. Billet pedals. It's showing 448 miles. He said there is a few more 100 miles on this car. The speedo had stopped working. It's actually the little gear. We've got it. That's for your air shocks in the rear. You can pump them up inside the car. Aftermarket stereo system. Of course, it's got the underdash air unit. It is Flowmaster dual exhaust. It has a 9-inch 355 traction lock rear end in it with a, it's got tubular frame connectors. Yeah, that's your little pump down there for your air shocks. It's pretty cool. So you can stiffen up the ride. Car cover that goes with it. I think it's got, I think this is your, just some other covers and stuff for it. This is, you put these on the front if you get out with some leaves and stuff, keeps it from getting in your cowl. There's a little part for the speedo. We've got it. We just got to get it put in for you. Good looking car, man. Like I say, I think if you're looking for something fun to drive, I think you'll have a blast with this car. Runs out strong. Good, solid, straight Georgia body. Dash pad's nice, steering wheel's nice. I think all the original car light glass, except for the front windshield, that's been changed. Air works. You got to shut this first. Updated the headlights. There it goes, it'll come down. Good old pressure, all your gauges work, like I say, except for that speedo, which we got to fix. We got the part though, we'll get that handled. Radio works. Again, all your blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Hit your headlights. Not coming on. Hit your bright switch. There you go. Yeah. Little switch on the floor sticker. You're good. Yep. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. Hold on. Hit that other side. Yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Also, subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Now you can see it out in the sunlight. Good stance.
guys.